Here we are at Yanuv. We are about to have a ceremony here of receiving the parts from our friends in Norway near the memorial for the victims of the disaster near Oslo in 1949. Here we can see the 35 names, including the survivor Yitzhak Allal. All others above are the 27 children, the 3 staff that have been with the children, and the crew of 4. And we are nearby the small house that the Allal family lived in. Today we are to expose the parts that generously were sent by the Hurum Museum, but it's not a museum, but the people, Jan and friends. This is Shimon, he is the curator and the man behind this place. The parts yet are not to be seen, they are here. But we can see here all the history of the Moshav, including the Tunisians' typical kitchen, the Tunisian families, the food, the story of Yanuv that was founded in March 1950, the Oslo disaster, a corner here that is dedicated to this place. Lilian, she is the wife of Yitzhak Allal with her grandchild. Yitzhak didn't see any of his grandchilds, but at least he had 6 children. We are at Yanuv, a Moshav in central Israel where Yitzhak Allal lived. In fact, this is his hut, the Norwegian hut that was brought here. And we are in the middle of a ceremony of bringing the remains. And we really want to take this opportunity to thank Jan Richardt and the Hurum Society for their wonderful support to bring the remains here. We have members of the Moshav here and others, also the families, the wife of Yitzhak Allal. And we really thank all those that participated in this effort, and also the Norwegian people now and in 1949 for the wonderful friendship.
אני מזמין לפתיחת החבילה את חטב אמנון, ששני אחיו נספו במטוס. בבקשה, תודה.
Amnon Khatab, who lost 2 of his siblings, he will open the package that was sent from Norwegian.
לאחר הערב יוכל לעבור
זה הפוך, תהפכו את זה, אמנון, תהפכו.
בתמונה שלנו פח מחלק מכנף המטוס ובורג שחיבר את הכנף עם המטוס עצמו. זה הגיע מפויח, ניקינו ועשינו מזה לפחות כבוד לשמור את זה במקום במוזיאון שלנו.